In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and add a story to your site in WordPress, whether you're looking to highlight a feature, share a personal journey, or create a visually engaging narrative. Adding a story element to your website can make your content more dynamic and appealing. WordPress makes this process simple, even if you're not a tech expert. So stick with me, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a beautifully customized story element live on your site. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Alright, let's dive in. The first step is to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever you typically use. Once your browser is open, navigate to the WordPress website by typing www.wordpress.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the login option. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the sign-in page. Now, enter your login credentials, your username and password, to access your WordPress dashboard. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can click on the Continue with Google button. This option allows you to sign in using your Google account. Simply select the account you'd like to use and you'll be logged in. After signing in, you'll land on your website dashboard. From here, locate the Quick Links section. This is where you can access many frequently used actions. Look for the option labeled Edit Site and click on it. This will take you to the editing interface where all the customization magic happens. Now that you're in the editing interface, you'll see a list of websites associated with your account. If you manage more than one site, select the website you want to work on. Just click on the site name and WordPress will load the editing tools for that specific site. Next, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll notice a small plus icon. This is your tool for adding new elements to your site. Click on the plus icon and a search bar will appear. In the search bar, type the word story. This will filter the available elements and bring up the story-related options. From the search results, locate the story element and click on it to select it. Once selected, you can drag and drop it onto your page. Choose the location where you want the story element to appear. This could be a section of your homepage, a blog post, or wherever you think a story would add the most impact. With the story element added to your page, it's time to customize it. Look for the Upload or Select Media option. Clicking on this will allow you to either upload your own images or audio files or select from your existing media library. This step is essential because the media you choose will bring your story to life and ensure it aligns with your website's theme. So take a moment to pick visuals or sounds that complement your message. Once you've added your media, review the story element carefully. Make sure all the images, text, and audio files are placed exactly where you want them. This is your chance to fine-tune the design and ensure everything looks visually appealing and cohesive. When you're happy with how your story looks, it's time to save your work. Locate the Save option in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will finalize your changes and publish the updated version of your site, including the new story element. And that's it. You've successfully added a story to your WordPress site. Not only does this enhance your site's visual appeal, but it also helps engage your visitors by presenting information in a more interactive and compelling way. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.